Let's see how to insert copyright symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a copyright symbol, you have two ways to do this. First is by using the AutoCorrect option that is in Microsoft Word. So first, you have to enable it. So go ahead and click on the File tab. Now click on Options and click on Proofing. Now click on AutoCorrect Options. And right here, you will see the shortcut to the copyright symbol. So this one right here is the code for the copyright symbol, which is a letter C enclosed in parentheses. Now click OK. Let's go ahead and try typing that in. And as you can see, we now have a copyright symbol. Now, another way that you can do this is by using the insert symbol option. So go ahead and click on the insert tab. Now click on symbol. Now click on more symbols. And right here, click on special characters and click on copyright. Click insert, and that should show up in your document as well. And that is how you can insert a copyright symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.